Ladies and gentlemen, from an undisclosed location to the craziest industry in the world, it's the Micro News Update from Mortgage Services 3. Micro News is the mortgage industry's credible, readless, and off-the-wall newsletter. And I'm not kidding, it's really, really good. And now, everyone's favorite mortgage nerd, Rick McKinley!
Good morning, everyone. Rick McKinley with Mortgage Services 3. You're watching the Micro News Update, Volume 4. In this week's update, we're going to be talking FHA. We're going to be sharing a strong marketing tip for you. We're also going to be wrapping up with our famous photo finish segment. I'm here today with my British lab, Daisy. Now, Daisy has arguably one of the best noses in the world. So I venture that I could put a training dummy just like this one anywhere in the county, and Daisy can track it and find it, and that's what she's going to do on today's Micro News Update. But first, you've probably heard that HUD is changing FHA's mortgage insurance factors. Based on HUD's most recent Mortgagee letter as of September 1st, here's what you can expect. Mortgagee letter 2010-28 has HUD increasing the annual MIP on their FHA loan product. Now, while they're authorized to increase the MIPs to 1.5% for 95 or less LTV loans and 1.55% for greater than 95 LTV loans, that's up 1% in each case. They're not going to be doing that right away. Here's what's really happening. The upfront premiums will be reduced to 100 basis points for purchase money, full credit refis, and Streamline refis, while the annual premiums will be increased to 85 and 90 basis points based on the LTV. Now, if you have a 15-year loan, your LTV is 90% or less, you will still avoid annual MIP. If your LTV is greater than 90, your annual MIP will be 25 bips. Now, as long as we're talking FHA, I've heard from a lot of my brokers lately saying that other lenders that they are signed up with are requiring income verification on their Streamline refinances. Well, we're not requiring that. Let me show you a couple other things that we're not requiring. As you can see, we're not requiring income verification. We don't require you to stay with the same program type. You can go from fixed to ARM or ARM to fixed and more. Now, the full training for the FHA Streamline with MSI's overlays is right below this video. So you can click that at any time. And now Daisy's going to show you her stuff. So while she's finding the birds somewhere in the county, take a look at this marketing tip. Daisy, find the bird.
Now, in the world of small business marketing, there's no question that blogging is a hot topic, and there's a lot of confusion as to why you should even do it. Well, I'm going to give you 5 great reasons why you should blog, and then I want to give you one big reason why you should completely ignore the 5. Alright, so let's dig right into it. First of all, blogging makes you an expert in your field. Even before a client comes and talks with you or meets with you face to face, if they've been to your blog, they're going to believe you're an expert. The second reason why you should blog is because blogs give your prospects reasons to hear from you on a regular basis. And the more often you post, the more they hear from you. The third big reason why you should blog is because blogs are interactive. Your clients or your prospects can ask questions and you can answer those questions. And again, that makes you a big-time expert to those who are watching in the public eye. The fourth reason why you should blog is because search engines absolutely love blogs, way more than websites, because blogs are updated regularly with quality content and they're not perceived to be pitch sites like websites are. And the fifth reason why you should blog is because blogging is simple, and it's simple to set up. You don't need any technical skills to really pull it off. So let me give you the one big reason why you should completely ignore the other 5. Blogging takes some time. It needs to be an integral part of your overall marketing plan. So every single week there needs to be some time and effort put into its success. If you're not willing to post once, twice, maybe more a week, then it's really not worth doing a blog and be better off avoiding it altogether. Now I've posted more detail in a downloadable PDF, so you can go ahead and download that, and I hope that helps with the whole blogging thing.
Okay, I hid that training dummy really well. So while Daisy is still looking for it, let's move on to the photo finish segment. You'll recall that the purpose of photo finish is to provide you a snapshot of the items located in our PDF partner announcements that we send out virtually weekly. And this is news that you need, but that you never read. So the full detail is located there as well as in our online seller guide, but I'm going to give you a snapshot here. We've got 37 seconds. Let's go on the clock. Daisy! Fannie Mae appraisal requirements for any conventional loans with appraisals ordered on or after September 1st, 2010. Interior color photos will be required for any appraisal requiring an interior inspection. This would include pictures of deterioration problems, remodeling, and updating per Fannie Mae announcement SEL 2010-09. Cashback on relief refinance loans. Effective immediately, MSI will not purchase DU Refi Plus or LP relief refinance mortgages with more than $250 cash back to the borrower. Principal curtailment or reduction is not acceptable. The loans must be reduced and then re-underwritten before MSI will purchase or fund these loans. Well, thanks for watching the Micro News Update Volume 4, and thanks for sending your loans in to MSI. We appreciate every one of them. Have a great week. Oh, and by the way, if you have comments or suggestions, you can share them by clicking the button below the video. We want to make this a helpful tool for you, and we'll even put those up on our content video library. All the trainings that we create will go there. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Tuesday. And Daisy, thanks for finding that trainer for me so I don't have to buy another one. Fannie Mae appraisal requirements effective as of September. Now I'm here today with my British lab, Daisy. Now, Daisy has one of the best noses in the county. Ah, shoot. Stay. That I can take a training bird dummy, bird training dummy, rats. This could be a YouTube moment, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a mad deer on our case.